So, mo to siya, realize ko gabi nga 1 month na intawlon ko naghimog video every single day. And nalipay ko kay, this is something I've been working towards, trying to be consistent. Even though, dili nindot every day, but I try to be kanang consistent good. And nakamiss ako one day, tungod kay ka-travel ko, and gikapoy ako, and this would go mo keep up sa rhythm every single day of just talking and talking, especially if the kana ko work. So, nalipay ako. Yeah, nalipay ko. I got shivers down. I got shivers when you touch away. I'll make you hot, get you what you got. I'll make you wanna say, Jai ho, Jai ho. Dili jud ko ganahan yung magbalik-balik sa sudan, sa routine, tanan. But, all throughout sa akong videos, most of the time, naara ko sa room. Naara ko sa room, dili, kani. It's very small, it's a condo unit, it's a studio unit. And, sige ra ko balik-balik aning scene every day. But it's just, I always try to find something creative and something new to do that. Dili always, kaya sa tapulan ko, pero most of the time, nangita ko ways to be creative. And ako na-realize kaya there are a million ways to be creative and to tell your stories and to shoot your shot and to make your music and to do all that. So I'm just really happy. Jai ho, you are the reason that I breathe. There is this creator nga ganahan kay ko niya tungod kay eloquent kay, mo na pa-pronounce. Eloquent kay siya in English niya. I think scripted daw ang iyang kanang pag-speak, but it's still a great script and I love it. It feels raw even though it's scripted. And dili asa ako ang gihimo, more on like puro lang ko impromptu. I hate planning. I hate thinking, fuck, okay, mo na yung button. I just wanna go into it. Kaya dili ko mo go into it, malazy ko. Hinilagay kay ko mo story ron. You are the reason that I still believe. You are my destiny. Jai ho, Jai. Do I want an audience? No, I don't. Okay, if na ko'y audience, conscious ko niya, di na kayo kumakasay sa akong gisaya niya, mag-overthink na ko sa langit konsulte. So, I'm scared nga na ko'y audience. But also, hello, if you're an audience, don't scare me, please.